Today we have here with us Mosab. Hi Mosab, how are you doing?
I'm good. I'm good. Thanks for having me.
Thank you. And can you tell us a little bit about yourself and your background?
Yeah, so my name is Mosab. I'm an assistant professor at UNO. So Luca and I are colleagues there, and I been here for 2 years. I focus on corporate finance, but I'm trying to get into investments
Got you.
as well.
And what motivated you to sign up for this course?
Well, it seemed like a very easy and good way to be introduced to investments. Luca is a highly qualified person that I trust their background, his background in this area. So I thought it would be a good way to be introduced to this area. And so I signed up.
Got you.
Yeah.
And at least so far, has the course met or exceeded your expectations?
It definitely has exceeded my expectations. The material is very uh, applicable, meaning that the application you can see every day. I do like that the instructor posts their trades, so you get to see a real world application of the theory that you learn. So a lot of the courses that are out there, they sort of give you some stuff that may not be applicable, but in this case, you definitely see the effectiveness and the accuracy of this trading strategy. So I'm very impressed with it, and it's definitely something that works.
Thank you. And because you said that, right? So what do you think of this way of, managing this course as something more similar to a trading community where we have a Discord channel? Okay, I post every day my trades, but I also post my planning for the day. People do the same, other students, right? They do the same, and we have this ongoing discussion. What do you think of all of this?
I think for this particular topic, which is investments, I think this is maybe the most effective way of teaching because you couple the theory and the ideas with the practice, and then you give your commentary along the way, which enables us to observe this information in many different angles. So we're able to understand it better. So I think the trading community, the Discord, and you posting your trades, I think it's very effective as a teaching tool. I think it's definitely helped me learn a lot of this material.
Well, thank you. Thank you so much for this testimonial. I'm very happy that you took the leap of faith and took this class, and I hope you're gonna get something useful out of it.
Yes, and I hope we get rich together.
Perfect. Thank you.
All
Bye
right, no
bye.
problem.